What's true happiness? Listen to the conversation and learn the English words to talk about it.
Hi, Chloe. Is this your first time at Cafe Dialogue?
Yes, it is. It's my first time. It seems nice here.
I agree. It looks like a good cafe.
Yes, let's get a cup of tea. This tea is good. I like today. It is a good day.
It is okay. The sun is out. That is nice.
Just okay? You do not feel happy today?
I am not sad, but I am not happy. I feel normal. I want to feel happy. I think I need something new.
Something new? What do you mean?
Well, when I get a new video game, I feel very happy. When I buy new shoes, I feel very happy. New things make me happy.
Oh, I see. New things are exciting. I like new things too. Do you remember your last new phone?
Yes, I bought it last year. I was so happy. It was fast and the camera was great. I felt excited for a whole week.
And now? How do you feel about your phone now? Is it still exciting every day?
No, now it is just my phone. It is normal. The happy feeling is gone. I understand now. The happy feeling from new things does not stay long.
Yes, that is the problem. The excitement goes away. So maybe true happiness is not about new things. Maybe it is something different.
Different how? What is it? Is there a secret?
It is not a secret. It is just a different way to think. I read a simple book about it. It says happiness comes from small, everyday things.
Small things? Like this tea? You said the tea makes you happy.
Yes, exactly. That is the first idea. The idea is to be thankful.
Thankful? What is thankful?
It means you say thank you inside your head for the good things you have. You look at the good things in your life and feel happy about them.
I'm not sure. Can you give me an example?
Okay, I am thankful for this warm tea. It makes me feel comfortable. I am thankful for this quiet cafe. It is a nice place. I am thankful for you, my friend. I am happy we can talk.
So you're thankful for three things right now: the tea, the cafe, and me.
Yes, you understand. It is easy. Now you try. What is one small thing you are thankful for right now?
Hmm, my coffee is good. It is a nice flavor. So I'm thankful for my coffee.
Perfect. That is a great start. When you think that, you feel a little bit better. It's a small happy feeling. What else?
Looking around, I am thankful for this chair. It is comfortable.
Good. What about bigger things? Not just here, but in your life.
My flat is nice. It is warm and safe. I'm thankful for my flat. I'm thankful for my bed. It is very soft.
That is wonderful, Liam. See, you have many good things. Thinking about them can make you happy. What about people?
Smiling a little. My family. My mom and dad are kind. My sister is funny. I'm very thankful for my family.
Yes, family is a very important thing to be thankful for. So, this is the first idea. Every day, you can find 3 small things to be thankful for: your breakfast, a sunny day, a good song on the radio, anything.
Okay, I can try that. Be thankful. What is the second idea from the book?
The second idea is people, friends, and family. We need people to be happy.
Yes, I like my friends. When I see my friend, I feel good.
It is not just seeing them, it is talking to them, in listening to them. This is called connection, feeling close to people.
So when I talk to my mom on the phone, that is connection?
Yes, you talk, she listens, she talks, you listen, you share your day. That makes you both feel good. It makes your relationship strong.
Sometimes my friend is sad. I listen to his problems. I don't talk. I just listen. He always says, "Thank you for listening."
That is a perfect example of good connection. You are a good friend. You make him feel better. How do you feel after you help him like that?
I feel good. I feel like I did something important.
Yes, so spending good time with people is key for happiness. Not just watching a movie together in silence, but talking, sharing, listening. That is the second idea.
So, first is be thankful. Second is connect with people. It makes sense. Is there a third idea from the book?
Yes, the third idea is helping.
Helping. But we just talked about that. I help my friend when I listen.
Yes, that is one way, but it's a bigger idea. It means doing small, kind things for others, not just friends, but anyone.
Like what?
Yesterday, I saw an old man drop his newspaper. I picked it up for him. He smiled and said, "Thank you." It was a very small thing.
And how did you feel?
I felt so good. It was a warm feeling inside. My small action made his day a little easier.
So, small acts of kindness. I held the door open for a woman with a baby this morning. Is that helping?
Yes, Liam, that is a perfect example. You helped her. It probably made you feel good, and it helped her a lot.
It did feel nice. She gave me a big smile. I did not think about it, but it was a happy moment.
That happy moment is from helping. The book says when we help others, it gives us a feeling of purpose. It makes us feel useful and good.
What are other ways to help?
You can help your dad wash the car. You can make a cup of tea for your mom if she looks tired. You can help a classmate who doesn't understand the homework. You can give food to a homeless person. Many, many small things.
I see. It is not about doing big, amazing things. It is about small, kind actions every day.
Exactly. So, those are the three main ideas for true, lasting happiness. They're not difficult.
Okay, let me try to say them. Number one, be thankful. Think about the good things I have, like my family, my home, and my coffee. Number two, people. Spend good time with my friends and family. Talk and listen to them. Number three, helping. Do small, kind things for other people every day.
You said it perfectly, Liam. That is everything. It is a practice. You do it a little bit every day, and slowly you start to feel happier inside. It's a quiet happiness that stays with you.
Not like the exciting feeling of a new phone, but a quiet, warm feeling that stays.
Yes, that is true happiness.
This is very helpful, Chloe. Thank you. I want to try this. It does not seem hard. I can start today.
You already did. You were thankful for your coffee, and you are a good friend who listens. You are already on the way.
Thank you for this talk. I am thankful for our conversation.
Me too, Liam. Me too.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment.